Today we're making Brazilian cheese rolls.
Okay, I'm back. Here's Brazil. I wasn't sure what kind of cheese you wanted. Maybe I should have bought the smaller one.
Roll the intro. Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad.
And she is
Honey!
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste. Let's get started! Don't forget to wash your hands or wear gloves.
The ingredients are
1 cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese,
and 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese.
1 cup of tapioca or arrowroot starch,
1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. 2/3 cups of organic whole milk or 2%.
1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 large eggs, and a brother that would lend you his forehead to crack it on.
No wait, stay back.
Preheat the oven to 375.
Add everything in the blender except the cheese.
Pour the mixture into a bowl.
Shred the cheese and add it in.
Optional, you can add oregano, minced garlic, or shredded jalapeno to taste.
Spray the mini muffin tray with olive oil.
Fill each muffin cup nearly full.
Bake rolls until lightly golden for about 13 to 17 minutes.
Before serving, leave to cool for 3 minutes. Cheese bread rolls can be frozen after they have been cooled down completely.
Double plastic wrap individually. Add 1 layer of aluminum.
They can be reheated at 375 for 5 to 10 minutes. Or microwave it for about 20 seconds. If you're planning on having them during the day, they make a great midday snack with coffee, tea,
Or your healthy homemade juice. You can store them in a Ziploc bag and keep them out.
and now to the enlightenment board.
Tapioca and arrowroot versus regular flours.
Tapioca comes from cassava plants, while arrowroot comes from tropical plants.
They are much easier to digest.
Contains more potassium, calcium, iron, and lots of vitamins.
Contains no grains.
Gluten-free.
Not processed.
White flour turns to gluten in the intestines and slows down digestion. This week's shout-outs go to... Thank you for your support. Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the SDH squad today.
Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag SDH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes. Bismillah. Wow, you should make this, eat it, love it.
Good idea.
It's really good. Have it on hand for an unexpected guest.
I like it.
It's really, really good. I love the chewiness.
So cheesy.
So
Great for on-the-go snack.
It's great.
It's great hang, right?
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing,
Liking,
and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos.
and as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy. Today we're making Brazilian cheese rolls.
Okay, I'm back. Here's Brazil. I wasn't sure what type of cheese you wanted. Okay.
Everyone's it.
The ingredients are
1 cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese.
and. The ingredients are
1 cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese.
and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, freshly grated.
Blah.
The ingredients are
1 cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese.
and 1 cup of freshly grated. The ingredients are
1 cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese.
and 1 cup of I keep forgetting because I said 2/3 cup of organic whole milk or 2%.
1/3 cup of 2 large eggs. And a brother that would lend you his forehead to crack it on.
Not happening.
2 eggs and a brother that will lend you his forehead to crack it on.
Nothing.
Bismillah. Wow, you should make this, eat it, love it, eat it with tea, and have it on hand for unexpected guests.
I need to take these off.
You